Fairmont, model MEP831A, 3 kW, 60 hertz diesel engine, 120, 240 single phase. This machine weighs 270 pounds and it puts out 31 or 16 amps at 110 or 220 volts respectively. This was built on 07 of 01 by the Fairmont company, and it had a tier 2 reset in Letterkenny on 05 of 10. So 2010 they rebuilt this machine top to bottom. This machine has very low hours, 2.6 hours. It's bone dry, spotless. It's got the NATO slave cable. It does not have a battery. It looks like they rebuilt this in Kuwait. Not really sure, but it says Kuwait right there on there. So on the top there's a number 23, and it says fuel filter. It's faded out. Some military nomenclature numbers. It's clean and straight. It's got lifting handles here. We'll walk around and we'll take a look at it. It's got a tag on it. Internal combustion engine, it says. There's another thing that says about Kuwait. Here's how you manually start it. It's got a rope for starting it. It's got a scratch right there, right by the fork pocket. Very classic thing here. And there's another handle for lifting it. The back looks pretty nice. There's a scratch here. Scratch, dent, I don't know. Something went down it and scratched it. There's another scratch right there. There's a scuff here. That'll buff out. There's a fuel tank. Holds 4 gallons of fuel. This is the first one of these I've ever had, so just bear with me. I usually go around them MEPs pretty good. This calls for a 24 volt battery. I don't have one. I don't know where to get one. I don't know what to tell you. So this is my NATO slave plug. This doesn't come with it. So it's got a preheater. You hear it clicking. You could do auxiliary fuel. You could run this from another machine. So we'll turn this on. It's too sunny out. That's to show you that the lights are all working. That's the fuel pump running. We'll fire it up. The exhaust comes out of right there. Starts right up, runs nice. 240 volts. Low load, of course. Quarter tank of fuel. All the lights are working. You'll just have to believe me. Ground fault receptacles. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Exhaust as clear as a bell. Lower it down a little. It's gonna get a little loud when I open this door. .110 220 volt single phase generator. Perfect condition. Has an electric fan, still turning. Oil's all brand new. Fuel is all brand new. It's a used filter, but it only has 2.2 hours on. It'd be stupid to change a filter like that. It's got, I believe this is the compression release. I'm not very sure how you do this, how you start these by hand, but it has a rope to start it. So if you have any questions, send us an email. Thanks for looking, and we get great shipping rates. Thank you. Bye.